Linux Mint just received a major hardware upgrade. New Linux Mint 22.3 HWE ISO images are now available, and they come with the Linux 7 kernel. So, if Linux Mint 22.3 wasn't playing nicely with your newer laptop or PC hardware, this new release might be exactly what you were waiting for. Linux Mint 22.3, also known as Zena, originally arrived in January 2026. It's based on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and initially shipped with Linux kernel 6.14. Later, the Mint team introduced special HWE or Hardware Enablement ISOs using kernel 6.17. These images were mainly designed for newer computers where the standard kernel might not provide the best hardware support. And now, Mint is taking another step forward. The latest Linux Mint 22.3 HWE images are powered by Linux kernel 7, coming from Ubuntu's hardware enablement stack for the upcoming Ubuntu 24.4.5 LTS release. So why does this actually matter? Well, a newer kernel generally means improved support for newer CPUs, GPUs, Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth hardware, storage controllers, and other recently released devices. If you tried Linux Mint before and ran into hardware compatibility problems, the Linux 7 HWE image is definitely worth trying. The new ISOs are available in all three main Linux Mint editions: Cinnamon, Xfce, and Mate. But here's something important. If you're already running Linux Mint 22.3, you do not need to reinstall your operating system just to get kernel 7. Existing users can install the Linux 7 kernel directly through Linux Mint's software repositories. These new ISO images are mainly useful for fresh installations, especially on newer hardware. This release also comes at an interesting time for Linux Mint. Earlier this year, the developers announced that Mint would move toward a longer development cycle, starting with Linux Mint 23. Instead of constantly pushing new features, the team wants to spend more time fixing bugs and improving the overall experience. Linux Mint 23 is currently planned for around Christmas 2026 and is expected to be based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Because of that, this Linux 7 release could potentially be the final HWE ISO update for Linux Mint 22.3. And remember, there's no immediate reason to leave the Mint 22 series. It will continue receiving support until 2029. So, if you have relatively new hardware and want the familiar Linux Mint experience with a much newer kernel, the Linux Mint 22.3 HWE ISO with Linux 7 is probably the version you should download. For existing Mint 22.3 users, though, there's no need for a fresh installation. Just upgrade the kernel through the repositories. So, what do you think? Are you sticking with your current Linux Mint setup, or are you planning to try Linux kernel 7? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.